Hello, friends. I'm going to narrate a story of the wolves and the sheep. Once there lived a pack of wolves in a deep and dark forest. The wolves always liked to eat sheep for dinner. The sheep were friends with the dogs and were protected by them. The dogs barked and alerted the sheep in case the wolves were nearby. Thus, the wolves were never able to eat the sheep. However, the wolves were very clever. They made a plan. The wolves decided to be friendly with the sheep. We will never trouble you again, they promised. They told the sheep to get rid of the dogs as they were troublesome. The poor sheep thought that the wolves were telling the truth. Then they went to the dogs and ended their friendship with them. When the wolves came to know about this, they pounced on the sheep. But suddenly the dogs came in their way and protected the sheep. The wolves ran away. The sheep and the dogs became friends again. Moral of the story is never give up true friends for false ones.